will be 10 players each from both the team. Team Super, Team Rupa. Majarema. Okay, Rupa captain. Both the captains. Okay, hello, both the captains. If you are not ready, we shall be also on the box there. However, June never start so like we la pile moi Caleb calm down and Caleb referee neutral hai.
1, 2.
Rupa, Super. Okay. The first dash in favor of Team Super. Side checks. Leaders my down.
1, 2.
Super. Team Rupa well there. Team Corner, quickly. Team Corner, quickly. We need 5 more players. Team Corner, we need 5 more players here. We need 4 more. Team Corner. Okay. We still need one more. Corner. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First round in favor of Team Chadu. 1, 2, 3. First round here. Come on, let's do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. It's almost happening. It's almost happening. It's waving. It's a wrap. And we got that. Okay. Now that's what we are looking for. That's the kind of match we are looking for. Now we shall be witnessing the final round. You win this, you're gonna face Team Super in final, and you're gonna be awarded handsomely. You lose this, you have to wait for 1 whole year. Okay. Team Chadu second semi-final winner. They shall be now facing Team Super in the final round. Now may I call upon men's first round, which it's gonna be between Rupa versus Chadu. Let's make sure that we give enough space for the players. Cheerleaders matter. Let's make sure that we give enough space to the players. But of course, your energy, your vibes, and your support means a lot. You cheering for...
Get ready.
Get ready. Get ready.
10. 1, 2.
Team. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. First team in favor of Team Chadu. Ladies and gentlemen,
Get ready, get ready.
get ready, players.
1.
Come on, everybody, check it, come on. Come on. Come on, hey, hey.
호문이야, 호문이. 따라, 따라, 따라.
Caleb, we whistle on side. It will be a long and a loud one. So please listen to only that whistle, okay? Players, this is the second set close men's first tug of war.
1.
Come on! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations both the teams. That was okay. Winner in favor of Team Chadu. Team Corner versus Team Sabah. Team Corner we give 40 more seconds. 40 more seconds. 40 seconds. Just bring in any of your friends. The finalist right after this one. Okay. Alright, Caleb, we waste enough space. Chair, lead us by the Zoom, and let's give them enough space to pull the rope left, right, up and down. Pull the rope. Listen to the whistle.
Hold. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. The first set goes in favor of Team Corner. please switch and then we shall now carry on with the second set. No, actually, ito tilina hade, but ji an naita jule de. Roland, Mr. Roland, wherever you are requested to report here at the tug of war field. Mr. Roland, na hai darka na maine ku na boy. Idili release boy. Caleb, let's start in 5 seconds. Come on. Connor, please get ready. One, two, three. Come on. Go. 1, 2, go. One, boom. 1, 2, go. You do it. Push out the way. Exit the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Final. Okay. Congratulations, Team Sapa. Number 2, bumper ticket. We still have more printed for you. Ticket to the executive minus of a show minus in Delhi. This is the final round for ladies tug of war, and it's gonna be between Team Sapa and Team Chadu. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Sapa, come on, Chadu, come on. Boom! Ta-da! Okay. First round in favor of Team Sapa. This is gonna be the final round. If Team Chadu could defend this round, we shall be witnessing the final set. Tug of war, final.
No, take a position. Position.
Referee will court repair. One, two, okay. Congratulations, Team Sapa. Congratulations, Team Sapa and Chadu. Well put on. Post a show YouTuber na sa tasani YouTube ang nawa na buhay. One, two, come on, Team Chadu, Team Kondo, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, 1, 2, 3. Team Corner, if you could come back here, we shall be witnessing one more round of men's tug of war final.
30 seconds.
30 seconds for a breather. With the Hoshi bumper. Chadu, this is your final set. If you win this, you don't have to face another round. Corner, you can give get a chance anymore. You can't take it lightly anymore. This is your final opportunity. We will make to the final, win trophies. This is your set. Otherwise, we are sorry, but you'll have to wait for next year. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on, 1, 2, 3, come on! Come on, come on! Come on, do we have a winner yet? No, do we have yet? Nothing! 1, 2, 3! 1, 2, 3! Come on! Come on! 1, 2, 3! Come on! 1, 2, 3! Okay! Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new winner for men's tug of war! And that's Team Jadu! Alright! Everyone, get on the side. Personal start with the housing number. In the interest of time, everyone, please come here. Everyone, please get up right here. Everyone, please get up right here. Let's start off quickly. We don't have much time. It's time for the 6x6.